beautiful, fast, come on. Rather beautiful. I saw this picture again. I went to Brave search when I'm playing YouTube videos. It's not, he has a incorporated ad blocker or something. The Google is catastrophe. You know, YouTube. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It turns off automatically. This. What jumps? Or jumps, still jumps, or dies, face dims the picture because of the. I must put fucking premium shit is enters and I must put whatever. So click here on my page. I put this right. I am on the. I am on a. Probably I'll make a video, you know, like gulags, lager. I don't know if in English it says for the concentration camps of the Nazis. Lagers. We in Romania, Hungary, we call them lagers. Those were lagers. Let's see if English. Fucking bad came made. En ik knows the Google, gulagen. But no, in English not use this expression. Lagers. For example, I put a Hungarian search that Jews, Židov, lager, but I don't know, let's say. They say get also. What the fuck, man? Dogco lager. Change it, not really using this anymore. Lager expression. State concentration camp. What fucking languages? Because this names, you know, came in Hungarian from other something. I don't know what. What the fuck, man? I see what must be written. Fucking hell, man. In German. Yeah. What the fuck means lager? German, probably. So it's German. Maybe it's camp or like camping. Probably German, I don't know. As you see, Hungarian search not give it. It says concentration camps, no, not lagers. But I remember I grew up like this. I already always heard that lagers. Agula. Look, the Mongo says agula. So the gulag is the same, right? The root word. But you must read backwards because I'm fixed on this now. Because gulag Hungarian, fucking Hungarian is pyramid. Probably not we invented this because just simple like this, a little bit suspect, you know. Let's see, German, lager, English, camp, store. Let's give a search. Lager, yani, Inge. The fucking store, so storage. Store, warehouse, how is it? Stores, where? All right, so got a gathering place where you put together something, whatever. Interesting. So wait a minute, so it's not like in many cases, it's not just a German word. So lager has a root word of lag. Lögölet is, right? But Julie Hungarian is said for the, let's write like this. Julie Hungarian is ignites, of course. They say with Burnett, Jus, I don't know. Jule, Gula is pyramide. What the fuck, man, not fucking translates this fucking shit. Pyramide, pyramid, Jule, G, not. And Jule is adulates, how to say it, Jule. What fucking raining, man. Almost must read them with short, gadere. Hungarians usually talk with like musically, so they from Hungary they use the longer letter, but we in Transylvania we are more peasant, so we just say Jule. Gadere. Jule interesting because you know we are talking about lagers. Jule is hate. Hungarian. The interesting is that Hungarian hate 7. So we are back to, I don't know, 7 Hungar, 7 planets. Hate is you read like a hate.
Gyűlöléhét.
Ay anyád is.
Gyűlölhét.
Hate. Hitler, so Hitler not actually not always Hitler, hit again, but hit also. Hit in English is like struck, how you say. Lare Hungarian is the frying place of the oven, I don't know, this is written like this. Probably some Nemesis Phoenix again, you know, but I looked at these days together, Phoenix Nemesis. Previous videos also not just in last. What I wanted with the picture that I look at some chrono shit. It would be cool to connect the Google Foundation and probably is it. All of them are Jews, interesting, right? Look, go to Google. I fucking watch it in my fucking. So today, of course, they put all this bronze and like, but this BS, not even the foundation, you know. This is Russian Jew. This is plus all of them look like Arabs or India, you know. Even the Russian Jew looks like Arab. But as you know, since from this all this Mudfoot Tartaria theory and shit, you know, we don't believe anything. So they invented the Google these two computer scientists or what the heck. They invented the Google, right? So it's just it's made up for us the theater that they invented. But look interesting, the September interesting. So there many darkening shit happens in this year. An interesting Menlo Park, California, also bear. Menlo interesting this name I just see now. Mene Hungarian and California interesting that also. Mene is stadion. Many is to go. Main is a Saves or Gone, like paint in English, so the V and M letter upside down, so the English word. Or a menu, heaven, or whatever. So he just the main, the stallion is the. Of course, I see now, they say Menlo Park, Menlo, and Loe Hungarian means horse. What the fuck? Horse, stad park, like, you know. And they say California, everything is California, like, you know, Hollywood, California, I don't know. Because Cali fucking Romania means horse. Vänta fan vad jag raden med. Even California, the governor of California, USA, has a special, I don't know, some unique, so how to say, governor of caliphate, you know, so Google caliphate, similar to fucking California. California is almost like the saddest type, but it's not. So here is the player. I was thinking this is California, but it's Mexico already. But whatever, you know, he's here. The southern western tip of USA is called California. The southern western tip of Europe called Hispania, where Arabs, they say. So it was caliphate, you know, California. And even the Google's leaders, where are they? Arabs or Indians, whatever, same shit, you know. Soon you can see it. Well. What I want to say, Menlo Park, and fucking Carl in Romano is horse, like cavalry, but cavalry, you know, in Spanish, whatever. You know, Romania. Or there was in Turkish Ati or Ateş is horse. So Kalman, King of Hungary, Koloman, but it's called with also Columbanus. Similar to Columbus name, so we are back to America, some suspecting, you know. Yes, with the Columbus. Or remember Calmant is a pastille, you know, drug which you take when you are hurt or something. The Hungarian Anje means ease, or like the Hun name, right? Or like the Jesus name. So Columbus is Jesus, or whatever. Here is interesting, I just see now that Menlo Park, but the fucking Hungarian man is a horse, and all this heaven and to go, I don't know. And California, Car is Romania is horse. Horseman is, I don't know, Biblia, I don't know, where is it, right? Similar to but Hungarian four means boys. Interesting, California burned down in this year, so not accidental. Plus Los Angeles again, Angles, Corner, Gali, Gulo, pyramid in Hungary. The pyro is burning again in Caligula, who was Caligula who judged Jesus and all this shit. Jesus is the glower again in Hungary also. 4 horsemen and 4, tot de number, Hungarian is 4, negi. But ig in Hungarian means burns, was fucking sky. But egg means one there was. You know? And even 11, interesting, because you know, September, 11 in Hungarian 10, which means 10 and 1, how to say. But if I say 1000 egg, Hungarian means burns on fire. And 11, Hungarian means full is full with life, you know, like viril or everything, you know. So 11, if I say 11 make egat means was burned alive on sticks, so I said in the sticks. Was burned alive, you know. So 11 Hungarian, 11, 10 age is 14. 10 egg means burns on fire. And 11 means alive. If I say 11 in Mexico, means burned alive, on fire. And so 11 football players and 11, you know, September 11 and burning is not accidental. Also. But here in California, it's crazy. I just see now that horse, stallion horse, California, car horse, 4 in English, 4 horsemen, probably some ritual shit. 4 is boys, so burning again. Caloroso, Latin, calore, calido, card is energy, calorifer, calorie, you know. And calido, card in Romanian, Latin is heat again. So we are back to heat and joule. if California can be the Köln airport, the GK interchange, you know, Köln, Gulo, Juli, Hungarian, Ignitesse, the Gula is pyramid. Pyro also burning and shit, you know. En was founded on Soliman died in Hungary, they don't put like this, but they don't put like, come on man, what the fuck, you cannot fucking, so let's see the Romania, what fucking Serie A man, but we have Soliman movies, but we don't, they put English, we also put the 6th september, we know in Suicide so in September 4 and his opponent who defended the Sigat Costley, which is interesting, but what Costley is named Sigat, you know, it's meant of fucking English. So it's about something else. Died of 72 years, they want to say, so 72 also full with shitload history. The guy died on September 4. Roman Empire entered in September 4. Also said Ravenna again. Raven coming back, Raven at this date. And interesting, close to, you know, again, 3 years later, September, not 4, but 11. September 4. Again, yeah, Gulag, if you say that. But the Gulag is probably lager also, but I got started here. You know, Gulag, lag, ere. Giule, Ungariane, Ignitesse, Giule, Gades, so like a stocking, you know, putting together, storage place. Giule is hate. It sounds like 7 also, California, you know, September is 7, September is 7 in Latin, Romania. Heat, similar to hate in Hungary 7, September 7. Heat struck in English, heat, Lar is a oven, the frying place, how to say something. Lar in Hungarian is dead. Oven again, fény lart. Mi a bajnom?
Nincs baj semmi. Körülbelül mennyi ide elbítetted?
Fél óra, jó fél óra. Az ettem, 3 óra.
Hát jó ötlet, de nem is. Hát hogy nézik belénk?
Hagyja fő, és aztán megfordítsuk kész, ahol áll egy szintézem.
Még hagyjam egy fél órát, ugye?
Igen.
Jó.
Fucking meeting. So 4, where the fuck I was, man. So everything is, you know, like California, of course, Arabs, they are ruling Google. So yeah, I made a quick chrono. I want to put that, you know, this I put it yesterday. Look, Google, Stalin, I'm mocking man, what the fuck, I'm fucking crazy. Main law, park, right? Well, what I said, main is Stalin, and fucking law is horse, Hungary. And look, I came in my mind to look on Google when it was founded. But from this fucking picture I put it just for craziness here, right? Because I started the Gulag, Gula pyramid, you know. Even has the, or has every colors, whatever. Stalin was also not Russia, he was Armenia, Gagauz, Georgia, but those are Arabs or Jews, you can see on them. They're not aboriginal there, but they were made up aboriginal and so meanwhile with the whites in the East Europe, we don't know our history, cut in pieces. All history is written anti-white, it's clear. But look, man, Stalin, you know. So now I see that California fucking his Menlo Park was founded there. So this picture is perfect then, right? What the fuck? Because Stalin was Stalin. And even the Azov Stadium was a famous, when Azov who are Nazis, but they are led by Jews, so it's a mess up. Putin, who is a Jew lover, let's say, makes statues for Jews that had the glorious Red Army liberated Europe from Nazis with all the shit. Says in front of Jews that 90% of Bolsheviks were Jews, which is positive because otherwise he could not say, right? So that Putin became the nationalist. Those who are the Nazis became the Jews. So what the fuck is going on, right? But Putin is until today is communist, not Putin, because they are it's just shit show for us, right? These are just puppets. So and now I see Stalin, Azov Stalin also. Azov Stal was a some Stal was one of the steel there, probably some metallurgy factory, He went that also. Fucking hell. Stalin. When the fucker was born, man, fuck's sake. Joseph, right? March 5, when Hitler was rising to power, on March 4 or something. 33. I died then, after the fucking puppets. It would be good to dig more deeper in this shit, but I already know there's always found some fucking connection. Alright, so I just see this, look, I put this, because in the last video I put like this date of Solomon Temple building goes with Giza, so Giza, Pyramid, Gulag, Giza, Jesus also, Giza, Jesus, Gezu. And Stefan here is born, first king of Hungary. And Stefan is son, dark son, Solomon. Sun is light, the moon is dark, so I don't know, connection sound. Goes to when Stefan occupies Vienna. Then I started to make a video, Holocaust, that from Holocaust, so only two Hungarian kings, the first and the last, bigger, interesting, occupied Vienna. So Vienna is important. And that goes up to the First World War. This is the Holocaust also. Wat is geweest, de real Holocaust? Ja, I don't know. Wat I want then. Stefan Borne, or in 69, whatever. One chronicle says this and rest say this. And he occupies Vienna. Put that on, mention it to June, this date, Feast of Nativity of Saint Alban or something, which I saw put that on June 17 or 22. But interesting is this other was feast day of other Saint Hungarian King Stefan, and the other one is the only saint who is even bigger than Stefan, Saint Ladislaus, called Claudislaus. Feast of Saint I made him Claudislaus, because last Ladislaus, King of Hungary, called as Claudius in the source. Of course, they don't say this because you will not, whatever. Claudius means destruction. It's the root word of Kale, horse, if you want again, right? Hungarian Ladislaus said last law, but law is horse in Hungarian. The last means fever, so we are back to know. Claudius, called again, Hiti Romaniane. Claudius is destruction in Latin, but Claudi, Romanian means to build. It's crazy. Again, a horse. Horse here, horse Menlo Park. Wait a minute, September. Google Gulag. Found dead. That's why I call it man. Low Park. Carl I. Four. Ja. Voorkoornes, Angles, Los Angeles and whatever. But Carl is horse also. horse in Romania. Lui Hungaria e meni stallion. Stado, right side. Stepan is not thinking of a horse. But yeah, Turkish is said not just ate or horse, but ateş also. So the first part of Stefan name is horse again. Look. Lui Ungarn and Romania and California. Armesan, like Armenia, I don't know. Azeri, Attila. Attila, lui Ungarn. Attila is Karl, Columbus. Atlantis, right? Atlantic Ocean. Zilki, Kazakh not said that. Kyrgyz, Ate, Tajik is Persian, but Asparuk, Bulgarian is also. Atin, Tatar, Turkish Anatolia, Atish. So I don't know, Stefan has the name Ste, Atish, also. What the fuck? But it was, Stefan has the steppe. Right, the steppe where the horsemen were riding, the Scythians, who's empty, you know. Arne, horse lord. Pan in Polish means lord, but not in Hungarian is son, so what the fuck is it? Burning horse again. But sötéte Hungarian is dark, that's why I'm saying Stepan dark son. Look, the fucking peasants are not chasing after fucking crows in my city. They started to make nest almost in the center of city. They know it, they're letting directly, not just accidentally. Goes to when Stefan occupies Vienna. Vienna again. Fény Hungaria, Leute. I don't know, Ravenna again. Was interesting, so look, goes to when Nero is black in Italian, or Moreno in Hispanic is dark, Roman and also something Moreno, I don't know. Nero burns Rome, so Rome becomes black, let's say. July, but the letters can interchange. Even yesterday I find it woorden, for example, die het kennen. Julio, Juan, but they say, no, George, Jorge, you know. So July, goes to July, burn at Rome. Then black burn at Rome in July. July 1890, I guess. You know? You can say July also, Jew, they're all Jews, so not me, not anti-Semitism. Look, this is Russian Jew, this is American, these are the name, you know, so this, what? So why it goes to that? So, you know, suspect that Stefan what Vienna, but Vienna a little bit similar to Ravenna name, which also ended on September 4 in this year, you know. So Raven is black again. So and Börne and Borne in English similar. So Rome ended here, so not born. Opposite, you know. Here we're not born but burn, but also goes with Vienna, but Vienna suspected, you know. So that is one, and I put the Giza number like this. Giza started to be built that June is the first build, also June this, you know, or this. Say the three dates says Aventicus in Chronica. Hungarians beat Bratislava battle. This year, Pressburg. Aventicus says 4 days, I guess. This and I guess this. Not 9, but it says in August. Otherwise, it put it on July. They put it on July 7. I don't know why. Put it like this. I don't find sources for it. So July again, July, July, July. That's why we like July. July. Or July. I fucking hell. And when the Giza finish had, so here I'm suspecting that if I see this date now, because the last video I put there with this, with the Giza building, and this is Solomon Temple building in BC. They are the same thing, so pyramid also, somehow. Here, pyramid is burning, the pyramid is Gula in Hungary. And see after that all this Gula, Lager, Gul, Jul Goddess, Jul Ignat, Julul Hate 7, September 7, Heat, Kali 4 again means boys, Neji, Hungara 4, Scar, all this shit fucking shit, Caligula in case of Jesus also. Menlo Park, this was crazy. So I'm not even observed. I observed it only when I started. Maybe when Atish Ishti, Adir was Stefano, last given, Hungary is Nicker like Ishti. When we say shortly, like we say Johnny, we say Ishti. So Stepan Ishti, Atesh horse also. In Turkish, because this is horse. Was to Vienna when, so he is birth here and occupies Vienna and does soon later, or in 8 or in 4, 34 to 38. And opeens on the feast of fucking Ladislaus, who again has the horse name. Or even fever. Called destruction. So everything is how to say, so conditioned in this world that will be destroyed, how to say. Dan they know, so let's go with the Jason mode. They know that all this shit will end, right? Jason says it, but they don't tell us. And after that, they go in underground, safe places, so I don't know. Everything is from the day one when it's created, founded, city, state, Google or whatever, It's founded, it seems the founding dates, let's say, contains the destruction, in fact, that's what they say, Everything is meant to be destroyed finally. It has the fate of to be, how to say, more romantic or more intellectual, The first big battle of Hungarian versus German was interesting. Pressburg battle. I don't know why. And interesting here, so in 999, AUG 11 again, so right, similar data. Let's show that Pozsony battle. Pressburg, Bratislava, Pozsony. They put like this, I don't know what, based on what, probably some necrologues put the deaths of But I saw that on Aventinus says that they give it a decree. The Hungarians must be eliminated from Bavaria. The decree was from here, and Aventinus says the battle on these days. August is similar again already to, August 9 says, I guess, or 8, whatever, I must check. And interesting, 1 year later, we have a total sun eclipse. On the dead day of John Hunyadi. Hunyadi Hungaran is asleep, extinguished, So we live in simulation. They know even these things not happening just like that because they matches with the Hungarian name sleeping. Biggest Hungarian warlord, how to say. And the other date of Jason for Lambert, more exactly because he's in BC. Founding of Google, burning Gula Pyramid, Giza here, Giza dates. Giza date goes to probably Stefan, Hungary born and the Solomon Temple, that also so all are the same. Goes to another fucking, another second version which I put in the video about when the Solomon Temple was built. was this years after this years Solomon died. So he ruled 40 years and his fourth regna year was be that the temple so can figure out when was the busy. But look, he died here. Solomon died here, according to second version. But in after Christ is fucking almost. Hungarian, first Hungarian is born, I said 100 times in videos, right? His dad can put that here, 8 or 9. Is a blackface again. Born almost, which means literally sleepy, but sleepy rather is dormient. Has the mental, it has like a name fucking rude. Also some big guy in all their history. Or omlaag means collapse, call again, Kali collapse, you know. Collapse or almost means washes away. So some post-flood or some catastrophe. Chronic says he had a black face, black, not even says dark, but black eyes. Black eyes not exist. That's what I say in Chronic, you know. The first, nigger, black, Aryan, something. Lead there. You know. So I don't know. So Google, Gulag is something destruction. I wanted to put where is the Google? Where here is it? Look, where is that fucking look, how many this shit has it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course 10. Why not 9 or 11? In fact, it's 9. 4, 9. Is the 10th is put with red. Okay. They want to say Google because go and search probably, you know, go. Or I don't know, can we say the go in English and Ali Hungarian is away. Google is the girl, right? So go and Ali Hungarian. Eli, Jesus said Eli. So go in the also is show it like this. Like you go along right, you know. Go and search. Search, well, what I give a search. Go down search, it sounds like this. Searching is said when you have a flu and you make your nose like all this liquid in your nose make the sound, you know.
Search.
Searching. Searching is said for when you make the sound.
Szörcsög.
Search Google. Saracen. Saracen is said for the Saracens. Were also black, interesting, no? Burn it down. Arabs are burned whites, let's say, from a white point of view. They probably will say that they are the perfect and we are the lack of melanin or some, you know. Saras. Interesting, whatever. Oh, wait a fucking minute. So the event the Giza name is because first Hungarian said almost most of the sources. For example, Aventinus talks about this battle. He says that Arpad, son of. No, he says that not even Arpad was the leader here, was already died. Arpad is son of Almos. But he not says that Almos was the leader. He says that he was Kushad. Kusa, you know. It's not similar to Giza. Gekari, Techeheblitz or whatever. Or Jesus, Gezu, whatever. So Giza ended, wait a minute. Giza building ended number. BC. Google, which can mean a shitload of things like Gula Pyramid. Oh, yeah, Google, let's write Hungarian. Google founded. But Gula is fucking pyramid. That's why they love the pyramid, you know. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, man. Goes to blackface again, pyramid burning. There's a collapse. Everything is a condition to be collapsed. And destruction. We have control the environment. It's fucking clear. Yes, it's right. It's not just history was like that, and not as I said in natural course of history or life or some point, yes, probably, but relatively is controlled it. Or controlled like he says with all these catastrophes coming. I don't know, crazy. Jason is other level. He's Argent or not, I don't know, but put that. He made me crazy with this. Or if I add together, what gives? You know, even it's fucking close to when total sun eclipse, man. And the day of Joe Hunyad event died in 1456. Hunyad is asleep, you know. Nero again, black here, black Nero, fucking Burns, black Nero, black Boer was Vienna interested, so Ravenna, when also Roman Empire ended, also September when Google was founded. Very close to that, and then of course close to 3 years later the 9/11. So fucking is connected. This thing is connected to more directions, you know. So even the guys Kusa has the like Giza name, other leader. And Aventinus is said, I will show you. Let's see. Let's save this shit because because the other was he said the Bavarians are Avar Huns. What I wanted this battle. Yeah, so the first battle of Hungarians versus Western, so to say so. But the BS in the never happened. Aventinus course says these dates. This with August, so not puts on July like on the wiki was said that they made a decree that from the Bavarian Kingdom's territory Hungarians must be cleaned out. He says these 3 dates for the battle, consequent dates for the battle, I guess. Let's see why for holy fuck, Kusa, they write the STT, they write in all books like F, without that line, you know. Kusa, Rex, Ugrorum, and Uete was written like military, man, not even nothing. Sarekles Aventini, Acknowledge Boyor, look here. Another task, of course, there. Manuscript, man, for fuck's sake. They put the manuscript for you, man. You know, cannot be read. That is en test, look. First, source en test data. They're censoring, that fucking you up. Fucking hell. Ugri. It's goes to Hungarians Ugri. The first page, still the fucking manuscript and this man. Not that you cannot read this fucking shit. Fucking hell, man. I fucking hell. Bojorum. Goes to Bavarians Bojorum. It is a boy going Hungarian his planet. Wandering. In fact, miss literally. Come look, and nothing tastes a lot in fucking book, man. But I read it, I saw, I don't know how many times. Fucking parasites, man. What the fuck was me? I was almost right like this. Sometimes they write Aventini means of Aventino. Fucking hell. The first page he writes that the Bavarians are Avars. Well, Bavarian, Avar, the same. Fuck, I just saw it in different Hungarian books and shit. Some at the end of the rest looks like which is censored at the end, probably, you know. I found it a rare book, for example, Solinus in English. I found it even on the Google Books. Which is just only that book is put it up. James Osher, Jason always says this guy. Holy fuck, man. The sayings are in me, bro. What the fuck? I forgot. What the fuck? Some expression which can be, sensitive. They put probably not for everybody. If you search probably in America, you can search everything probably. But for me, who searching 10 years already, crazy, fucking put that probably some block on me. Let's go with Brave search, but probably the same shit. But, give the same fucking, look at the same fucking. Holy fuck, man, I cannot fucking find even fucking Noventians, man. The most well known, what is a German with nothing in that for is BS, Latin, history is written, Latin is fake. Was put an expression like costa avars, avares, boi. Look, I find it like this. If you don't know the text, first page he says that who knows who boi avares cognomita. I guess he said I translated somehow that if I talks about boy, Bavars. Like I said, that Avar name is you can find in all other people's name. Like there are Kabars also, Abirhunse, Morva, the Czechs, but Morva again, like Avar and Orva, Avar. En not, it goes to Bavarian, Bojavares, so Avare, And what is it? So yes, some Neuri people also live in Ukraine today. Neuris, but in some sources call it Nebroje. Nebroje again in Berre, Navares, let's say. It starts to be like Navajo, India. So I fucking him. And he says these days, but I don't know if I can. I must put some expression that. Holy fuck. 300, I don't know how many pages was made. I remember something. You must look on the date somewhere, and you finally can find it. It takes time, man. So put this jumping fucking shit and not. Ioannis Aventini, Analium, Anal. Why Anal and Anal? Kufa, is it a Kufa? No, man, Kafse. Rex Ungrorum, det måste put like Rex. You call it that there was Rex. Let's put the date. Fisher River also says. Fisher River also mentioned. Ugri, I don't know how he says that. Says for Hungarians. He mentions the Hungaria, Ugri. Letter is Vöjlen. Ugri Moravia, Ugri, but many times when I search something goes to the notes, not in the text, Let's see here. It already talks about later. Find the shit, man. I had somewhere put, wait a fucking minute, I have a video, man. Go there, fuck's sake. Put but I put it all up, holy fuck, some 10, 15 years ago, I guess. And I with sources, you know, so I put the sources I remember here, look. If we take the only, how many page? Look, the page even is the date of who's coming, 73, you know. Yes. Even the pages there are sometimes, you know, I have an impression that, you know, button is here, or four, almost is there, is there done. So here is says the data, done no. Even inundation, de droogte den caidun quinto idus Augusti. Quinto idus Augusti. Quintus August 9, so I remember it well. Augusti, no, not translated, that is about bottle, so is it. And after, let's say that three days later again, something, nocturne, some night, copies cum, Quindecim dynasty, 15 dynasties, killed, I don't know, post 3D podcast, post 3D is like 3 days, no? Tertio Augusti, what is it? So 9/11, Tertio, you know, 9/11. Not in September, like fucking September 11, but yeah, you know, you use that this. That's why they put not in this date, because they could put like, because they don't give a fuck, then you know what they put in the dates as they want. And even after that says something like 3 days. So that's why I say that put it like 9/11, yeah, I'll put it there then. And even 13 or 14 in this case, I don't know. Whatever, you saw that post 3D, that's what means, because he put that, it's written in one word. Post 3D Latin. After 3 days, what the fuck? No man, next day. So next means next day, but you know, you see the post means after in Romanian or Latin, whatever. Three in all languages, and dia is days, so after 3 days. But no, we say that first the inundated and kaidunt perished August 9 was August 9, no? Check again, I'm not BSing here. So what the fuck is it? Quinto idus Augusti, quinto 9, you see? 9, it says the story that inundated Fujidan 15 dynasty, I don't know. The next day, orchestra. Orchestra wanna be AKA, you know, like, so the next day, so on Tertio idus Augusti. So in fact, it's not the next day, because Tertio Augusti is 11. But, you know, it mentions Tertio idus Augusti, which is August 11. Again, some novice, even normal battle, so it's normal battle again, normal something don't add up already, you know. En say that 3 days continente probably is continuere continente. Continent is a continent. Land, no? Continente. Continente continuing, probably. What the fuck is it? So continuous, yeah. It says you know, Coelho Pugno is a bottle, so war or beating each other, whatever. So 9 August, 11 August, or 10, because it says it's next day, but whatever, one day. But they say that not yesterday, no. And after that, say that even 43 days. So again, from August 10 to 13 or 14 or whatever. They say 9/11, right? So I prove it, so not BS. Even say this fucking bottle. And Google was not founded on September 11, but you know, fucking close to September 11. And close to this also is also August 11. It's sleeping. It's all sleeping, how to say. And close to that also. But if you don't have August here, but September, if August, but the date is not. This history is written by those who are pushing today the things. Fucking, they know, we are controlled from day one. And we don't know from what time, because they write the history. You know when the golden age passed, when they were not on our leadership, let's say leadership, you know. So Google knows these things. Google is a Gulag pyramid. Gulag pyramid Giza started. Similar to Google or Gulag September 4 founded. No. August, even August is the interesting. August in fact, August word in Hungarian, Auge is like Ege. Auge, if you write like it, Auge has only one consonant. Right? Ege in Hungarian, like I say, sky or bird. And Uste, what is how to say, this in Hungarian is Tene. But Tuesday is fucking fire. And August is the most hot, together with July. But July also Juli ignition. Google July. And there was, yes, so if they jumping two months, like I said, September 14, July 4, wait a fucking minute. July 4 is fucking America founding. No? Alright, I don't know. So I just see this, goes to blackface at first Ungar, collapse and everything is shit. Giza, Jesus said, like I guess Giza was needed to save the humanity or something, to escape from simulacrum, gate of Yaksaka, Sökish, escape in English also, escape. And or the other name used for first Hungarian leader is Kusal, or Kuso. Aventus writes Kuso, let's show you that also. But I don't know how it's written, because all these letters are a little bit fancy here. Austriaci, you see, but they're not right the C letter, they're right like F letter, the small F letter, the written F letter, and then don't put that line. You know? They're writing like this, and hard to ugrorum. Not vugrorum, but like another example for they're using the V letter instead of U. Say that the leader is Kusa. Kusa similar to Gezo. Gezo, Jesus again, so I don't know. Gezo, Jesus, Sigismund, probably. All this, you know. Aegis is burning in Hungary. Almost collapse. Almost can be also like the Lemmerse letters, right? Sólyom is Falcone, but Fall, Ko, Hungarian Kő, Konesto, or what, you know. Where is it in Kusamen? Interesting, the founder of the first unified Romanian principalities, the Moldova and Wallachia, also called Kusa. Interesting. Says that king of Ugros was Orbatos, I don't know. Orbi Romanian is blinded. Sosa, where is it then? See, not talks about Almos or Arpad, as is most of the sources. You can find it also based on Hungarian. Kusa Luke. Look who is fucking Britain man. He says they're a king. So the pagans kings or what is it, you know. So let's see if I find like this. Not like this, Aventini. Fucking. How is it written? Kusal. But you see that they're not writing the C letter. It won't be C letter. It looks like the F letter, but without that line. Like suspicant, as you see also here. Histro also. The Easter wanna be. Anassume. Where does real reflecteer men? Fuck sake. Suerint or fuerint? I don't know that. Sundit or fundit? Fundit is fundit. Little bit you can see the. Where is the some fucking reflecteer man? If father was similar to Tileter upside down. Deserta, deserted, also like. Look, man, I cannot find the fucking reflecteer, which I'm 100% sure is F. Scripty. Scripty. Right, and that means. Also, the reflecteer put there. It's crazy. So, who saw Rex? Let's see, so evidente, who saw. What the fuck I went to. I don't even remember where I was. It's the. Alright, fucking. Other books is mentioned, Look, I went to the internet. Look, if I put, you don't know how it's written, you put the fucking book and you know, even in this, I went in this way, for your room, you must put or something. The other places not put, not entails. I'm fucking censoring it, right? Put like Kusa Rex entails. Kufal. Is about talking about that to the same page also. Let's put that shit. So let's write like with S-let here. Let's see if entails. Because in fact about the S-let one of S-let here. Look, not entails anymore. Hey, you see? Fucking hell, man. It is mentioned that somebody did fucking paradise, man. We are fucking controlled, we are always fucked like the fucking shit, man. You don't even imagine it. Ze went above us or above ons. In Argentinos. But the Dalalas, that's the important. So here, California. Where is that fucking thing, man? I'm talking about 1 hour already. CEO, yeah. 26 years ago. You know, close to all these black things. Giza founded also goes to Hungarian first, born with Giza starting there goes to Battle of Hungary, which has the August, this 9/11, August 11. 1 year later, 3 years later, September 11. So if you tell me that is accidental, they don't know the use the historical shit, but I also cannot say the real history as you see, right? So that's it. So man, low man is criminal, is crazy. Or